Hi everyone, my breakfast and lunch for today. No tawag, they call this bread guys is munar, munar, munar sandwich. So this is only magkano ba to guys? Mura lang siya guys. I think six manat. So gutom na gutom ako guys. Tapos I buy some groceries also, milk, fresh milk, and then fruits. So, meron akong stock dito na pagkain. Kasi dinner, guys, wala. So, tomorrow, it's a free breakfast. Tomorrow. Kapagod, magturtor. So, tired, tortor. Tortor pa more. Pero guys, I enjoy myself now. Very cold outside. Very cold as in, guys, chilly. Ano ba tawag doon? Hindi naman siya windy. Pero little bit. Pero it's very cold. Alam niyo guys na yung weather is, if you open the fridge, it's like that. But not like in Russia. You will be frozen there. God bless everyone. So I have a headache now. No sleep. And then late kain. Ayan. Ito yung sakit ng mga travelers. God bless everyone!